Jared Polin, FroKnowsPhoto.com, and you might think that I only shoot keeper images and never miss. But the truth is, I do miss, but the world doesn't get to see those misses unless I make a video about them to help teach other photographers. I defined a keeper image as the best of the best with honors, sir, image. An image you don't question whether or not you should share. Keepers are your best photos from the shoot. It could be 3, it could be 30, it could be 300. It doesn't really matter as long as they are keepers. The perception I want out there is I only shoot keepers, but the truth is I only deliver keepers, and so should you. In this video, I'm going to make it abundantly clear why you need to deliver only keepers, but before I do that, let's take a quick journey back to my wedding shooting days. Back when I shot weddings, and yes, I actually did shoot weddings before FroKnowsPhoto, I would tell potential clients that I will deliver no less than 300 to 350 keeper images. Now keep in mind, this was the film days and the start of digital days, so we didn't shoot as many images as we do today. Now, I would have some potential clients say that so-and-so said they will deliver 2,000 images of their wedding day. Why don't I do the same? And I would say to them, I'm not looking to chase numbers. I'm chasing quality. Would you rather have 300 solid keeper images or 2,000 mediocre ones where someone cared more about delivering numbers over quality? Now, some people got it and others just didn't, but I refused to chase numbers over quality. Is it possible for a photographer to deliver 2,000 keeper images? Sure. If they spent a year on the road with somebody, maybe. But 2,000 keeper images from a wedding would be impossible. I don't care what anybody tells me, it's impossible to give 2,000 keeper images that are unique and different. Look, I don't care if you take 5,000 images on a shoot, so long as you know how to pick the best of the best with honors, sir, and don't let out any crap. As I always say, you're the last line of defense between putting out quality or crap. If you put something out that's bad, that's on you. Before I tell you the issues with delivering 5,000 images to a client, let me make something super clear. I'm using 5,000 as an extreme example. You might be doing a smaller shoot with a family at the playground and took 200 photos. Just because you took 200 photos doesn't mean you should be delivering 200 photos. For a shoot like that, 5 to 10 solid different images is all you really need to be delivering. Now that that's out of the way, here are the issues with over-delivering. 1, it's simply overwhelming. Do you know how long it will take a client to go through 5,000 images? I mean, I don't even know where you would start. 2, there's no way every one of those images are keepers. There's gonna be duplicate or similar photos. Cut them, pick the best of the best and just share those. There's going to be out of focus images, especially if you shoot Nikon. I kid. If it's out, don't share it. It's not a keeper. File it away, but don't deliver it. Look, I know this happens sometimes, but in rare circumstances, if something is out just a little bit and it's one of those moments that was super special and you just need to deliver it, then do it. But don't make a practice of it and don't add that to your portfolio. There's always going to be exceptions that are to be made. 3, are all the delivered images edited? Or did you simply toss a preset across the board and hope for the best? Or did you not even edit at all? I tweak every single image I deliver. Well, sure, there's times you can sync settings across similar images, but definitely not across an entire day or multiple days of shooting. Plus, you shouldn't be editing every image from a shoot. You should be doing an initial cull. I do multiple passes and keep cutting down the images before I ever start editing them. Hell, sometimes I come back the next day and relook at everything with fresh eyes in case I missed something. But the point is, if I take 1,000 photos, my initial cut down may get me to 100 photos that I actually edit. 4, delivering garbage makes you look bad. Let me say that again. Delivering garbage makes you look bad. Now, I know that sounds a little harsh, but if you're letting out non-keeper images, the client might start questioning if you're as good as they thought you were, or people who are looking at your work and want to hire you, they may pass you by. Look, I don't want it to sound like you shouldn't share just regular photos, because you certainly should. The biggest point here is you're the pro. You're the expert. You know or should know what the keeper images are. You just need to be selective with what you choose to share with the world and share with clients, because people's perception of your work is based off of what you share, not how many photos you shot. Thank you very much for watching. Jared Polin, FroKnowsPhoto.com. See ya.